This is Saima. She's also my lady. I believe that every great creative project starts with an inspiration. And well, today's inspiration is a little bit unexpected. So we are creating a look inspired by clowns. Hi there, my name is Kate. Welcome to Beyond Basic. It's a series where we're trying to challenge our creativity by trying to find some weird, interesting and unexpected inspirations. I believe that the creativity is just a skill and a process and everyone can learn it. I'm going to document my process and I hope you will come along for the journey. So of course I googled some clown inspired outfits and found out that there is a whole community of clown core people who are very passionate and extremely creative with their outfits, but that is very scary to me, and we are not gonna try to achieve that. So what I'm gonna be trying to do, I'm gonna take some elements of clown fashion and incorporate them into some kind of normal-ish outfit that I can actually wear, and not trying to make a clown of myself necessarily. While I'm making myself some tea, let's discuss our plan of attack. First, we are gonna study our inspiration, check what I like, what I don't like, pick some elements from the clown fashion that I'd like to incorporate. Second, we are gonna check our resources, meaning I'm gonna look for fabrics that I already have before we start designing the outfit, because we are gonna be a little bit limited by what I have. Then we are gonna, step 3, we are gonna design our outfit. Step 4, we are gonna create it, maybe sew it together, all the pieces. Then we are gonna assemble the whole outfit, create a look, maybe some makeup, and then we are gonna analyze the result, get some feedback. Hopefully you can give me some feedback, and I really hope you stick along till the end. I'm hoping that I'm gonna stick along till the end. There are some questions about that. So let's discuss our inspiration a little bit more. I assembled a little Pinterest board. This was really fun. I really love all these outfits. I found this to be really cool. I really love the hats. I don't know if I'm gonna do the hat though. I might try, but let's see how much time I have at the end of the project, and I might DIY something at the end. I really love the colorful patterns. Lots of these outfits have big collars and also giant bows. I love that idea. I don't know if I'm gonna implement that though. Let's see what we have and what we can come up with. I think my main inspiration for this project is gonna be this yellow and white outfit. I really like this kind of big fluffy design of the top and little pants at the bottom. I might do that. I also really like the patchworky style of some of these pieces, as well as this romb kind of design. What we can do is we can try to do like the main outfit and then paint on top of it this kind of romb design, because I'm pretty sure I don't have any fabrics with that kind of design, and doing it patchwork style is gonna be too difficult, and we are not trying to make it too difficult, so we are trying to achieve this project within like reasonable time frame. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you what fabrics I have. So here are my ladies, Brianna, Jill, you know Jill. This is Saima, she's also my lady. She's gonna help us to make this clown outfit work. Anyways, these are the fabrics that I have. I bought these 3, having in mind our little project. So these are all really nice material. I think this is gonna be easy to work with. And this is like this nice waffle material, and these are really bright. I don't know if they go together, but we are gonna try. And I also bought this shirt, and I think it's super cool. It has stripes, and I think it might work as a top portion of our outfit. I also have this scrap piece, and I also have this black piece, which is kind of like an office suit material. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna keep it in mind in case I want some black parts of the outfit. So this is it. Our next step is to make a little design of what we are going to be trying to achieve. I'm not very good at drawing, but I'm gonna try my best, and then I'm gonna try to aim for what I've drawn, because it's important to kind of implement your idea on paper and then try to implement it. I hate doing this. I usually just wing it, but we are gonna try to plan a little bit. I'm done with my little sketch, and here how it looks like. Here is my little clown design, and I really like it. I think it turned out really good. I know it's a little bit messy, but the idea is to create two pieces, one for the top, one for the bottom. On the bottom it's going to be just pants. They are going to be a little bit balloon-ish pants. I'm going to do a little elastic at the bottom and maybe a little ruffle there. And then for the top, this is going to be our main piece. It's going to have that stripy short on the top, and then little kind of skirt-ish on the bottom. It's going to be shorter in front and then a bit longer on the back. And then after we've done all of this, I might paint like some pattern on top of it. I might not though. Let's see how it turns out. I also really want to do pockets, and I don't think I need pockets in the pants for this outfit. I might need pockets on my top piece though, because it's going to be like a little dress, and pockets will be nice. I'm excited to start working on this. I was doing my sketch, and with the corner of my eye noticed that my dog does something weird. Can I show you? Let's start making our outfit, and I'm starting with pants because it's the easiest. And I'm using this little pant block that I made. This was very hard to make, but I can link a very good video how to do so. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna adjust it to be a little bit bigger, and then I'm planning to use these two fabrics, or just one, I don't know, but I think these two go nicely together. Let's see how that goes. It's gonna be fun, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be easy, because I'm guessing that the part with the skirt and the shirt is going to be harder. It's going to be nice that we are done with pants already by the time we are doing the shirt. This should be easy. I'm hoping this is going to be easy, and I'm going to make this from the first try. Never happens to me. Never. I'm almost done with the pants, though I haven't decided what I'm gonna do on the bottom. I'm now threading the elastic through. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hate threading elastics through because my safety pins always open inside the channel, so I don't know, maybe I'm cursed somehow, but this never goes very well. Ta-da! This went through nicely for some reason, but I'm lucky today. Here are my pants. I think they turned out super cool. I haven't hemmed them though yet. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do at the bottom. Initially I thought I'm gonna do elastic and then a little like frilly thing, like a little cuff. But I'm gonna decide that after I make the shirt. For now, I really like them like this. They are super comfy. It's a little sad that I haven't done the pockets, but it was on purpose. I'm gonna do pockets in the shirt, and I don't know, they're kind of cool and not that difficult. I'm gonna continue tomorrow. So I've been thinking, my shirt is really bright. It's this bright red and white, and my pants are also really bright and really colorful, and I think they are kind of cool together. But do I really want to add any more color to this? I don't think so. So I was thinking maybe I should do my skirty thing, with this white material. And then I had a brilliant idea, I think. I'm gonna do little, I don't know how they are called, like suspender thingies. 2 little straps of fabric going through and to the pants. I don't know how I'm gonna connect them to the pants yet, but I know that it would be super cool to create little holes in the skirt that I'm gonna attach to the shirt and then pass them through. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm not even completely sure if that makes any sense to me, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna start with creating little straps of fabric from this, of approximately the size that I want my skirt to be. And I might do a couple layers of this because I don't really like how the skirt in one layer looks like. So maybe 2 layers would be good. Let's see. So I think that the shirt will go this way. So it's like a little shorter on the front. I don't know, this fabric kind of unfolded, but this is how it's gonna look on the front. And then on the back, I'm just gonna continue and make it a little bit longer. It's not gonna be super short, I think, because there's gonna be still fabric here. So it's gonna be fine. But I'm gonna cut it. I'm not sure if it's completely even, but it's even enough for me. I think I really like the shirt. I think it looks super cool. I don't want to add another layer because I kind of like this airy feeling, and I think I even probably will wear this with other outfits. I really like the concept for some reason. I don't know, it turned out really good. I'm not gonna add suspender holes. I don't want to ruin this. And I'm gonna do a little tie to kind of put the whole outfit together because the pants are from this material, and I'm gonna do little tie from this strip of fabric. It's either gonna be like a bow or like a little tie, and I'm gonna hem the pants and we are gonna be almost done. I also probably should iron my shirt, but I don't really want to, but I probably will. I need to hem my pants. That's not my favorite task to do, but we'll need to do it anyways. How do I do this? Here is an interesting fact for you. Clowns were dressed so bright, so they could be visible from the other side of the arena. So it's all for the visibility purposes. And their costumes were originally inspired by the Victorian era. That's why they have all these like ruffles and they are so big and bright. I'm now doing this annoying task of turning inside out my little scarf that I'm gonna have. I sewed it along one edge, so now I need to turn it. I hate doing this. I don't know why I do this to myself, but I hope this is gonna end soon. This didn't go great. One more try. The other side is almost always easier for some reason. It's one stupid side, one good side, all the time. So I have this box of stuff and I was thinking, should I do this little butterfly like as a necklace? Because I think it matches our color scheme. I just need to decide on the string. I also have these little beads. What should it be? Should it be white or red? I'm thinking maybe white. It's just easier. So maybe like 2 little beads. Please go in. No, 1, 2, then a little butterfly and 2 more little beads. I don't know why I have these little beads, but I have a lot of stuff. When you're doing lots of creative things, you're a little bit of a garbage person trying to collect everything. So I'm guessing that that's one of the things that I collected for some reason. Or it might be here for years and someone gifted that to me when I was a kid. But anyways, I'm keeping everything because of course it's for crafts, obviously. It's for future projects. Do I want to do it this way? Yeah, I think I like it this way. This is how it looks like. 2 little beads and a little butterfly on a string. It's gonna be like that. should we do something else? I'm not gonna tie a knot for now. I'm gonna see how long I want this to be. Then I'm gonna tie a knot after. I think all the parts of the outfits are done now, and we can get nice and personal now and try to do little something with the hair and with the makeup. Let's see what we can do. I have these red ribbons for the hair, and I already made these 2 ponytails. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a balloon things here. They never hold for some reason. Maybe my elastics are really bad, but I tried to do this hairstyle multiple times, but it never holds for some reason. But we can try it again today. I think these are pretty cool. I hate my long hair at the moment. I really want to cut it, but at the same time you can do pretty cool things like this with it, which is always really fun. Okay, now let's try to do something with the makeup. I have this mark here. It's because I was trying to reach for my fabrics, and then the lid of the box fell on my nose and left a mark. Why this always happens to me, I don't know. Let's try to like a little bit. Okay, now what do we want to do? I don't want to do anything crazy. I always say that, but it always turns out crazy. No, I'm joking. Not always, sometimes. I have this little like a face paint thingy that I use for Halloween, so I think this could be good. Let's start with the easy part, my nose. And then from there maybe it's gonna be all good. Looks a little crazy, but maybe that's the idea. Do you know why clowns are scary actually? That's a very interesting point. Why kids are scared of clowns? I think it's because they kind of wear this crazy makeup and they dress kind of scary, like they sometimes can be into your face. What do you think? It's definitely not very symmetrical, but I think it looks kind of fun. I don't want to make myself like look extremely crazy because it's not a scary clown. I'm worried that this is gonna turn out to be very Halloweeny, but I think at this point this is good. I'm gonna maybe stop right here and not do anything else. Yeah, because I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna put together my outfit and I'm gonna decide on the ribbons after. And I probably should iron the shirt because it was pretty wrinkly. See you in a bit. Are you ready for it? Ooh, ta-da! Here is the finished outfit. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I really like it. I think it turned out really good. If we look at the initial drawing and inspiration, I think we kind of went off script a couple times, but I think it still turned out really fun. It makes me really happy. It's so playful and bright and nice. I added this little scarf. I tried to do the bow, but I like this better. It kind of creates this like line. I think it complements the pants nicely. And I added this little butterfly here. You can't really see it, but I think it's a nice touch. I'm not gonna wear this makeup though with this outfit. I did it just for fun, but I think I will wear the pants. I really like the pants. They're super comfortable and really fun. I might go dancing in them. And the shirt is really fun as well. I don't know why it turned out so good, but it wasn't that much of an effort. I definitely should try something like this again. So I think like in my initial inspiration, I was planning this to be a bit longer and I was planning to add pockets in this skirt a bit. That's why I haven't added pockets to my pants, which I think is the biggest mistake of this outfit. I'm kind of now regretting my decisions, but I think it's still really cool and really fun. I think next time I should definitely add pockets to this pants. I have the pattern now, so I think the pockets would be really nice there. Let me know in the comments what we should do next. I had a lot of fun making this. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this. Stay inspired and see you soon.